I guess this has turned into an episode of how many water bottles I've found. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Paige. Yeah. And today, I'm going to be an adult and clean my car. Let's get into this video. Jeez, I don't even know where to start. I got a trash bag. I'll start over here. There's trash. We're going to find a lot of things in here that I don't remember that is in here. Because I haven't cleaned my car out since December. And no, I know what you're thinking. It's not because of the coronavirus. Oh. I haven't cleaned my car out since December, so. Trash. Ugh. My cup holder. I'm gonna put this. I should have brought like something out here so I could take all this crap in. Everything I need to take inside, I'm gonna put in my passenger seat. Maybe. Receipts. More trash. More trash. More trash. More trash. Found my sunglasses. Hey, I can put them in here. I need to give those to Dad. Put those right here. Cause now this is my car. And trash. More trash. More trash. More trash. Literally, my car is just a trash pit. Well, I guess up here wasn't that hard to clean, but that cup holder is really nasty. I could just get out of my car, but I kind of don't want to. So, I've done this plenty of times. We're just going to put this on my seat. Oh, hold on. Well, I found all my water bottles. It ain't snowing no more, so I don't need that. Oh, no way. Dude! I never sit back here, so I wouldn't know. There's a car charger in the back! Well, guess whose car's being taken on road trips? This girl. A sweater that... No, this is a dress. Oh! I got this bag from my friend when she came home for winter break. Need to go wash that. Well, jeez. Another bag that I can have. Finally. And we're just going to keep going. I guess this has turned into an episode of how many water bottles I've found. Can someone please tell me why I found 16 water bottles? What's this? Oh, my evaluation from preschool. Cool. Huh, found it. Oh, jeez, that seat is filling up very quickly. Oh. I found another sweater. More clothing. Yippee-ki-yay. Wah! Did I just find a... I just found one of my work shirts, dude. And another work shirt. What the frick? Can this tell you? I don't know what the date is on these. Ew. Oh. Trash. I live in Utah, so this is very, very important because sometimes you go into work and it's sunny, and then you come out of work and there's frost on your windows. And then if you don't have a window scraper, you're screwed. But yeah, I need to put this in my trunk. Dude, I'm finding lots of stuff. Also, I can explain, okay? I can explain because December we had a recital, dance recital, and we were nutcrackers, so we had to wear a big fluffy tutu, and it hasn't left my car since there's bobby pins on it. It hasn't left my car, so it needs to go back inside, back into storage. Man, I've never been back here. This is cool. It's very spacious. See, it's very spacious. Why do I have apple cider vinegar in my car? Like a full bottle of it. I don't know. This is why I cleaned my car out, y'all. I don't know half the crap that's in here. Oh. That's kind of really gross. I cleaned out most of my car. Should we go inspect the trunk and see what's going on back there? I gotta also organize this stuff because this stuff is going in my trunk. It's dirty back here too. My dad just walked in the garage. Now I have to clean. Well, came back. I had to go get some cleaners. But I have a box next to me too as well. So I can put all of this stuff in the box.
Let me see them. I have to get over the glasses ones. Let me see.
They were in here, but now mine are.
Oh, they should probably go over the glasses.
Do you want to say hi to the video?
What?
Do you want to say hi to the video?
Say hi?
Yeah.
To who?
My video.
Yeah, people see me?
Yeah. That's what he did.
Huh?
Say hi.
Hello?
This is the first time I've seen that seat in a long time.
The best part is I'm a messy person and I have leather seats. That's disgusting. I must have exploded in my cup holder. How am I supposed to get the damn pieces out? It has a sunroof. I forgot it has a sunroof. You know what that means.
Well, I guess I never made an outro to this video, but please comment, like, and subscribe. Comment, let's do a purple heart down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!